That's Keller on the inside, leading into turn number 1. Good friend Carnish on the outside. Actually, the car that Keller is driving is a Pass Thor. Car still owned by Chris Carnish. But here comes the two-time champion. He goes to the inside. The number 42 car takes second away from Carnish. Carnish back to third. Now Carnish back to fourth. As the 47 car, Schmitz gets by him. Working lap number 2. Now Schmitz goes to the inside of Stites and spins out. That car up front, I missed one of the sponsors. It's world-famous Stockade Grub and Whiskey. Halfway this time by. Keller been out front all the way. Two-time champion Stites running in second. He's the defending champion as well. And the champion 2 years ago running in third, that's Carnage. Then it's Bro and Schmitz rounding out the field. Stites changes lines, goes up into the dirt. If you're around motorcycle flat track racing, the girlfriend of the guy out front is the legendary Al Gunther. White flag the next time by. Camaro's running first, second, and third. It's a TV commercial. Last lap flag about to fly from Steve Russell. Stites pushes the front end. That allows Keller to put another car link between them. 1 to go. Down the back straightaway, about a 2-car length lead. Then it's about 2 car lengths back to the third place spot of Carnish. Checkered flag going to come down this time by. Debuting for that new sponsor, world-famous Stockade Grub and Whiskey. The victory goes to Keller. Second is Stites. Third is Carnish. Fourth is Bro. And fifth goes to Schmitz. 2:18.80 the time on the first factory stock heat race.
Bumping and grinding. James Keller. Not bad for first night out. How'd it feel?
The car felt really good. We changed some tire pressure for the hot laps. Car was a little loose, but the track was a little wet. But changed some air pressures. The car feels great. We had some issues last year with suspension. We found it out towards the end of the season, so we got that figured out, and the car feels amazing. So
good deal, man. Looked good. We've been now into the main, so we were pushing and shoving to get to the front because you got to go draw the pill, man.
Yeah, well, I hope I pull a 1 or a 0.
They'll probably invert the whole field. James Keller, he's our first heat race winner. Scotty.
And the leaders pack into turn number 1. Here comes Sam Bunce. On the outside, though, here goes Lanny Savage. Savage inches ahead going into turn number 3. Chicken Joe currently running in fourth. And we think it's somebody named Malone running in fifth. Chicken Joe, good run on the outside. Savage and Chicken Joe both had good runs on the outside on lap number 1. That looks like the place to be right now if you're at factory stock. Pack now reclaims second, going down the back chute. Malone to fourth, Bunch to the back. 2 laps down, 4 to go. Three-car battle now for second. It's Chicken Joe, it's Pack, it's Malone. And Pack bobbles. He drops back to fourth. Almost through a best battle for the lead. Savage gets a better run off the corner. Malone goes to the inside of Chicken Joe. Move the 26 car up to the runner-up spot. Savage leaves the bottom of the racetrack wide open. Let's see if Malone can expose it. Here comes Chicken Joe back on the top side. They go to the inside of Savage, off to Savage, Powers back ahead. Good run off to by Lanny Savage. Trouble on the back straightaway, Chicken Barrel Joe. Into the crash wall. And he stops right in front of the Team Stites Realty sign. But he pulls up in front of the Bush sign. That's the fastest Chicken Joe has ever won at this racetrack throughout this race. Coach trying to join the field. Malone taking a look at the inside of Savage. Savage powers away down the back chute. Checker's going to come down this time by winner. Heat race number 2 is going to be Lanny Savage. Second, Malone. Third spot goes to Bunch. Fourth will go to Pack. No time on that one due to the yellow flag.
Well, I was having a conversation with this man in the pits before we even got this thing started. That's what he's. You got to understand this group of factory stock racers. They're not all playing with a full deck. I know. I used to be one of them. So he said, you know, the microphone. Lanny, not bad, man. You said you were going to be good tonight. You worked hard on the off season. Looked pretty good.
Yeah, we got a new engine in the car. We've been struggling for a couple of years now. So I'm pretty excited.
You should. I mean, it looked good. Handle coming out of the corner is good. It looked really good.
Thank you.
You got a lot of help doing this too, right?
I have a lot of help. I want to thank Chris Carnish right there. I want to thank everybody in the pits. And I want to thank Mike for the new engine.
There you go, man. All you got to do now is put that together and come see me after the main.
There you go.
Congratulations, sir. Lanny Savage, second heat race winner.